guys, welcome back to another wig review video. So in today's video we are going to be checking out a full scalp lace wig from one of our favorite RPG show. So if you want to see what that full scalp lace wig looks like, please keep on watching.
Boss, 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 boss.
Anything turn on, you touch that happy seal. Boss, boss, that's happy seal.
RPG has sent us their all set glueless wig. It's a full scalp lace wig, means that anywhere you look on it front to back, you are seeing scalp like visions under this wig. So they have new invisible knots added and it looks like real scalp. They have upgraded their pre-plucked hairline and it also has free parting. Now this wig code is wigs by Sharice 037 in case you guys want to check it out. The link is going to be in the description box below. Oh child, get into it, get into it. It's 20 inches guys. Cap construction is glueless. Wait. Let me show you what else is in the box. Hold on. Of course, we have like a little goodie package here. Let's open it. Let us open it. Alrighty, so we have Buriti Oil Wig Deep Conditioner. I love that they always send us stuff. We have two of them actually in the little care package. And they also sent us a Say Goodbye to Frizzy Hair Flyaway Tamer. Love it. We have our regular RPG show magazine. Of course, a set of wig caps. Can never run out of these. RPG show branded melt band for the girls. And a cute little packaging case for your wig whenever you're not wearing it to ensure that you know the quality stays amazing. Now we could definitely get into the wigs by Sharice, the full scalp lace wig by RPG show. Now it is in the color caramel brown, as you guys can see, caramel brown highlights, and it is long side part, curly hair. So let's go ahead and take the net off so we can get to really get into the wig. So yes, as I was saying, curly caramel brown highlights. Look at it when the sun is on it, child. Look at that, look at it. And it is a full scalp lace wig. Means that anywhere on this wig that you part it, it will look like it is your hair. It is a properly constructed wig cap. Remember, like I said, it's 360. So we have also clips on each side to fasten the wig to our head. And we also have our elastic band there for extra security. So let me just go ahead and fasten that because I want to put this wig on and see what is going on. Ooh, loving the branding also. Love that. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what we're working with. Ooh, it's giving me Beyonce. Let me fix her up. Hold on. There the part is. So this looks a little bit more cleaner now. So now we kind of see what we are working with. Let me see how the back looks because they said this is a full scalp wig. Let's test that out. Are you guys seeing scalp? What are you guys seeing? Let me know. How does it look? How does it look? Is it scalping? I can't see. How does it look? Scalpy? Okay, let me go ahead and melt the lace a little bit and see what we're working with. full scalp wig is beautiful. It is no glue, no extra work needed. Let me see if I could do a high ponytail. Hold on. High ponytail realness, child. Alright guys, so that is it for the installation of this full scalp lace wig from RPG Show Hair. Now if you know anything about RPG Show, you know that their wig quality is chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. Now I tried my best to show you guys how pretty the full lace wig looks. You can part it literally anywhere. It's 360 and it looks like scalp, but because it's curly hair, it's a little bit difficult for me to work with. But I know that when you guys go ahead and get this wig and bring it to your hairdresser, or even you do it yourself, you are gonna make the half up, half downs, the 4 parts, the cane row styles that can be done with this wig beautiful. Now of course, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this wig, the color and this style. I actually love this curly caramel brown wig, and of course the lace is impeccable as per usual. Now remember guys, the link will be in my description box for this wig. You can also comment below, let me know what you guys think, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out RPG Show, and I will see you guys in the next review video. Bye.